Here we go. I'm in this house. Somebody called up. Wants to put it on the market, wants it gone. So I'm walking through it now. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna start here in the master bathroom. It's got a low threshold tub there. I don't think I've seen one of those before. That's the sink. It looks like they've added some nice features into this house. However, coming here in the master bedroom, found a lot of these walls that have been ripped out. It's a nice big window, a walk-in closet. Looks like there's plenty of sheetrock damage. Come in here towards the back door. There's the electrical panel. Missing sheetrock. Back door. Laundry room, HVAC. Assuming it's still in there. Holes in the ceiling, holes in the walls, missing doors. Come in here to the kitchen, where the kitchen is supposed to go. You see this entire room is missing sheetrock and insulation on the exterior walls. We have that boarded up. I look at that on the outside to see what's going on. That's where the kitchen sink, stove, refrigerator, all that goes there. You see there's really nothing in this room at all. I see water damaged wood over here down by one of the windows, and I can actually hear water dripping on the outside. Looking here by the front door. Somebody installed a nice front door with wings. Further down the hallway, somebody tried to actually texture the walls. I don't know if you can kind of make that out. Looks like they used some plaster or some sheetrock mud to texture it. Here's the middle bedroom. As you can see, we've got some issues here with drywall and insulation. Back into the hallway, to the third bedroom on the end. You can see where a lot of this was replaced with OSB and textured walls again. Not sure why people do that. It's a lot of work to do that, and it actually makes things worse. Because if the house has to be moved, all that's going to crack and fall down. Now into the second bathroom. Nice big toilet, takes up more than half the bathroom, pedestal sink, and bathtub. And as you can see, there's sunlight coming from underneath the house, so something down there is wide open. And of course, more sheetrock. Outside actually looks pretty decent. There's a front and back porch that's going to have to be removed. And I don't see any issues with the ceiling. Got a broken window here where the window unit is, by the kitchen sink window. And come out here on the back porch. And apparently they've had problems with squatters, trespassers. Will be shot. Trailer will be gone soon. We'll see.